Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. Today I'll teach you guys how to activate your US Bank's credit card online, alright? And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. Let's move on. After you search for activate US Bank credit card online on your search engine, click on the first link over here and it's gonna take you to the official website of US Bank, and over here it says login and activate. If you don't have an account, you need to click on enroll and activate and create yourself an online banking account, and then after creating yourself an account, it's gonna ask you for the card information. After you provide that, it's going to be activated. But if you already have an account, click login into your online banking account of US Bank, and on the next step it's gonna ask you for your card details like your card number, your card pin. After you provide all that, your card will be activated. So you need an online banking account of US Bank to activate your credit card. So yeah, that's how you guys can activate your US Bank's credit card. So don't forget to hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.